Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial. In this lesson, we'll be learning Bad Luck by Khalid on electric guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. First, we'll learn the chords, and then we'll learn the main riff of the song. Here's how I play the chords. I'll be playing every single chord in this song using the D, the G, and the B string only. This is an A chord. And I'm pinching the strings this way. My thumb is on the D string and my index finger is on the B string, and I'm going to lightly pinch this way for every single chord. I'll play the chords in this order: an A chord, an E inversion, and a root position E chord, then an A chord, an A sharp 11 chord, and then back to an A chord, an E inversion, a B chord, another E at the 9th fret, and then an A chord. So here it is again. Now it's time to learn the main riff. We'll play it this way. We'll start our riff at fret 12 on the high E string. Fret 11, we'll play fret 9 and hammer on to fret 12 on the B string. Fret 9 on the high E string, fret 9 on the B string, fret 11 on the G string to 9. So here's the first half of the riff. For the second half, we'll go to fret 12 on the B string, fret 9, we'll move to the G string and hammer on from 9 to 11, fret 9 on the B string, fret 9 on the G string, We'll hammer from fret 9 to 11 on the G string, fret 9 on the B string, then we'll play fret 11 on the G string and slide down to 9. So here's the second half. Following the main riff, we'll play a short riff taken from the main riff that sounds like this. For that one, we start it on the G string, fret 9, and hammer on to fret 11. Play fret 9 on the B string, and then we go to fret 11 on the G string and slide down to fret 9. Well, all right, that's about all there is to it. That's how I play Bad Luck by Khalid on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day. Get me out of here, Percy.
I'm